Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Facebook app. Go ahead and open your Facebook app. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on the three dashes on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the three. Now you want to go ahead and click scroll all the way down to settings and privacy. Then you want to go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on settings, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on profile settings, and you want to scroll all the way down to download profile information. And after that, all you have to do is download the profile information, and you'll receive all the information of your profile activity, including the number of people who have viewed your profile, the likes you've received, how many people have viewed your reels, and so much more information. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.